What a sweet little pickup. This is 54? 55, sorry, 55. Nice. Oop, there we go. And of course my favorite, Mercedes 220S. Oh, this is quite a car. Look at all that beautiful wood in there. Absolutely love it. We got the Beetle.
Yeah, there's a windshield card.
We got a
Here's the chain.
Comet convertible. Hardtop. The Citroen. Good morning, good morning. She's looking wonderful as usual.
I expect to win my make.
Excuse me?
I expect to be the only one here.
Probably. Oh. Très bien. I just love. Yep. Thank you. Little Corvette. MGB. With puppy in the back. Oh boy, so I'm here to say hello to. Yeah, you can get a dog in the window. Another Corvette. All set for the picnic. I like that.
You like that?
Yeah, perfect. So what kind of wine do we have in there? What kind of wine do we have?
That's what I can find.
Ah, good luck. And a little Roadrunner. I gotta get the air grabber, of course. Everyone's got to get that grabber.
Yeah.
Listen to her. We've got more coming in. What's nice, this is Gettysburg region of AACA, but everybody is welcome, which is really pretty cool. So many people come out. There's also a little swap meet too. Oh, that's nice. Little Plymouth. 31. Again, you're seeing more and more coming out of the woodwork. Star? No. Okay. Trying to pick up.
I know you.
How you doing?
Good.
I gotta pick up. Yeah, there we go. There's Silverland. Okay.
Yeah, has that black willies too.
Excuse me?
Has that black willies.
Ah, yes, yes, yes.
Yes, I saw you down at the market.
Yep. Right here, Shrewsbury.
Yeah.
I got you so many times. It's crazy, crazy. This is gorgeous.
Yeah, thank you.
What do you have under the hood?
350.
Nice and simple.
Yeah.
I like it. She's looking good.
Thank you.
That's great. Nice little 350 Camaro, 68. Good morning. She looks nice. Oh, nice 4-speed. Perfect. Listen to that mom. One mean machine. Good morning. This isn't the original 6-cylinder, is it?
4-cylinder.
Oh, okay. 2 4-cylinders. Yeah.
Wow.
And a little Chevy coupe. Tell me you have a Ford under the hood.
No.
Damn. That's great. Beautiful SS. I know, I'm worse than a dog all over the place. Jeez.
I like dogs.
Oh, okay. Scratch behind the ear. Looks good. Very nice. Oh. Fiero. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. 4-cylinder or 6?
That's a supercharged 3.8.
3.8, huh?
With a supercharged.
Oh, jeez, this thing must fly.
This thing's a rocket.
Ah, that is great. That is great.
This one's pretty cool. I have a couple of them, and my friend has a couple too. The guy's behind me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You guys have Firebird events. Make sure you get it on the calendar.
All right, sounds good.
Don't get caught. Wow. Yep. That's gorgeous. I like the black with the chrome. That's cool. Definitely cool. So this one sounds like you've worked it a bit too.
Yeah.
Just a wee bit. Any which way.
Yeah. Thank you.
Again, V6. Unreal. Their predecessor, little Corvair.
You're gonna run that camera.
Oh, I'm trying hard. Yep. There we go.
Thanks.
This is great. I love this. We go from front engine to mid-engine to rear engine.
There you go.
What a great progression.
How about that?
This is beautiful.
Yeah.
66?
Yeah, 66. You know your stuff.
Very good. A little bit. The optional luggage rack. It's got the 110 engine, 110 horsepower. Museum shuttle, I like that. Nice little Jaguar. Back when they were sexy. Good morning, good morning. She's looking good.
Thank you.
You got it. The British elegance is just amazing. That's of course the XJ8. Again, one of my favorites over here. I got a lot of favorites, what can I say? That's sweet. Good morning, good morning. Have a car show
We're
calendar.
together, so
Oh,
just
okay.
give us one and
Will he
I just
share?
want one. I'm sorry.
You can have one,
Oh,
it's
thank you very
okay.
much.
Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, anyone with an AMX deserves at least one calendar.
Thank you.
So,
you know what? We just bought the car about a month and a half ago.
It's been almost 2.5
We took it to a local church car show last Saturday. They had 255 cars show up. This one best to show, and there were some beautiful cars.
congratulations. Well, you're unusual.
Yeah.
And that's the whole thing. It's
Yeah,
something
yep,
totally
yep.
different.
Javelins and AMXs, you just do not see them.
Not at all.
They didn't build that many of them.
No.
So,
And
this
so
is
it's
really-
great seeing it out.
off, baby.
Yeah, yeah.
That's it. Now, next time, make sure the shows get on the calendar.
Okay.
That's like a
Will do.
Facebook for us. All grease, no garbage.
There you go.
Okay.
So-
There you
All
go.
right.
Thank
Sounds
you.
good. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Have a
Thank
nice
you.
have a nice day.
Oh, of course. Look where I am. It's a gorgeous day.
There you go.
Nice.
Thank you. That's my ride today.
Oh, okay. That's beautiful. God, I love these Studebaker Hawks and the Continental. Ah, it's funny. Look at the size. The Hawk looks so much more svelte, yet it's almost as big, which is pretty remarkable. Have a car show calendar. Oh, that sounds good. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Make sure you get your stuff on there. Your car show's on there. Oh, it's got air conditioning on. What a beautiful ride. Nice little Barracuda, second generation. This is when they're really coming in. This is an S also. Very nice. Have a car show calendar.
All right, thank you.
Automatic air conditioning. Sounds good. What's under the hood?
340 high performance.
Very good.
Thank you.
Very good. Nice. That is such a drivable car today. Sweet Corvette enjoying the gorgeous sunshine. It goes an Edsel wagon. That's gorgeous. Have a car show calendar.
Oh yeah, sure.
396 SS. Imagine Chevy as an SS. Interesting. Hello.
Hello.
Have a car show calendar.
Thank you.
Hi. Have fun today. I like that with the dog dish, the red lines. Nice. And little R. These Jaguars are so potent and you just don't realize the R's are absolutely crazy.
How you doing, man?
Very good. Have a car show calendar.
Thank you.
And I know what you've got. I know what that R stands for.
Yeah.
Ridiculous.
Yes.
The thing is crazy and you don't even know the speed in this thing.
It's it's definitely a beast.
Yes.
It's a V8 gorilla, to say the least.
In perfect British elegance.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Gorgeous. Jaguar F-Type.
Yeah.
And more working volunteers in the Corvette.
Hi, how you doing?
Very good. How are you doing? You want to
Good.
sneak this in? Because you got to move up in the conga line.
Yeah.
Dot, 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 boom. Dot, 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 boom. Vroom.
How are things at Northeast News?
Northeast Wheels events.
Oh, same thing.
No, you won't be able to get to it.
I know where it is.
Oh,
How you been?
everyone
Good
does.
to see you again.
Oh, this is great. I appreciate you guys listening.